Hello everyone, welcome back to Logic Binder. In this video, we shall discuss optimization of DFA-based pattern matches. This method is used to obtain directly the minimized DFA for a given regular expression. The main aim here is to reduce the memory usage and also increase the execution speed during lexical analysis. Here we will use three strategies. First one is bypass NFA construction entirely to create a direct DFA. Means here we are not building any NFA from the regular expression. We can directly create the DFA. Next, minimize the resulting state count. We will reduce the state count directly. Optimize the underlying transition table. As we are reducing the state count, automatically transition table will also get optimized. This is the procedure for obtaining the minimized DFA for a given regular expression. What are the steps involved in optimization? First step is we will create the syntax tree for the given regular expression. Next, we will give numbering to the leaf nodes. Next, we will find out nullable, first position, follow position, last position for each node of the syntax tree. At last, we will construct the DFA by taking the initial state of DFA as first position of root node. Transition for each state are computed based on the follow position mappings to create the minimized DFA. Let us see an example. The regular expression which I have taken is a plus b whole star followed by ab. Actually, first you need to include an end marker hash for every given regular expression. Then we will construct the syntax tree. For constructing the syntax tree, we will traverse the regular expression from left to right. See here, what is there first? A plus b. And then star is applied for this whole part. Next, it is concatenated with A, and then it is concatenated with B, and then it is concatenated with hash. This is the syntax tree for the given regular expression. Now we need to find out nullable for each node in the syntax tree. How to find out nullable? See here, first we will go for the leaf nodes. Here we are having leaf node I. I means the nullable value is false. For this also false. Next leaf node is this, false. False. Here also false. Next node is plus. Coming to plus, what we have to do, see this rule, C1 plus C2. Here C1 is A, C2 is B. A plus B. Nullable of A or nullable of B. False or false. What you will get? False. Next, how to find out nullable for star? See this. C1 star. Here C1 is plus, false. False power star is whatever it could be. Nullable you have to take it as true. Next, nullable of this dot. If you want to consider nullable of dot, you have to take nullable of C1 and nullable of C2. Here C1 is true, C2 is false. True and false. You are going to get false. Next, for this dot, it is false and false. Again, false. For this dot, false and false. This is how to find out nullable of each node. Next, we shall see how to find out first position. Coming to the leaf nodes, the first position is the number itself. You can give the numbering as it is the first leaf node 1, and you need to write first position to the left side of the node. Coming to B, let us consider it as second leaf node, and next third leaf node, fourth, and then This is how to find out first position for the leaf nodes. Next, coming to the plus node. If it is the plus node, what you have to do? First position of C1 union first position of C2. What is C1 for this plus node? A. C2 for this node plus node is B. What you have to do? 1 union 2 means you will get 1 comma 2. Next, star. See here, it is first position of C1. Whatever you are having for C1, that one you will get here. It is 1 comma 2. Next, come to dot. How to find out first position for dot? If nullable of C1, what is C1 here? Star. C2 is A. If nullable of star means, what is nullable of star? True. If true, then we will go for the first condition. What is the first condition here? First position of C1 union first position of C2 means 1 comma 2 union 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, come to here. For this dot, C1 is this, C2 is this. What is first position of C1? 1, 2, 3. First position of C2? 4. Okay, let it. First of all, what is nullable of C1? What is nullable of C1? False. If nullable of C1 is false, you have to go for else part, that is first position of C1. What is first position of C1? Here 1, 2, 3. Take that one. 1, 2 and then 3. Come to this dot. You have to check nullable of C1. What is nullable of C1 here? False. Then you have to go for else part, that is first position of C1. What is first position of C1? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and then 3. We will find out last position of each node. How to find out last position for leaf nodes? It is simply the number given to that leaf node. Here this is the first leaf node, and remember the last position is written after the node. 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. We have completed last position for leaf nodes. Now let us see internal nodes. The internal node plus. Here what is the rule? If you are going for plus, see this plus and the last position. Simply last position of C1 union last position of C2. What is C1? This one, and C2 is this one. Means last position of C1 is 1, last position of C2 is 2. Just union those two things. Next, coming to star. What is that? Last position of C1. Whatever the leaf node for the star is there, simply note its last position here. The last position of C1 here is 1, 2. Just copy those values here. Next, dot node. Dot node, if nullable of C2, you have to see the C2 node of that dot node. C2 here is this one. The nullable of C2 is false. Means if false, you have to go for else part. What is else part? Last position of C2. What is last position of C2? 3. Simply note that value here. Next, this dot. Again nullable of C2. What is nullable of C2? False. Again if it is false, go for else part and simply last position of C2 is copied to dot node. Next, this dot. What is nullable of C2? False again. Simply you have to note the last position of C2. If you are getting nullable of C2 as true, you have to go for this condition. This is how to find out last position for each node. Let us consider dot nodes and then star. The first dot node is here. For this dot node, what we have to do? If n is dot, this is n, okay, this is C1 and this is C2. What we are going to do? Copy first position of C2. What is first position of C2? 3. 3 is copied to last position of C1. 3 is copied to last position of 1 and 2. Now we shall see how to find out follow position. For finding follow position, there are only two rules, and we will find out follow position only based on dot node and star node. If it is a dot node, then first position of that C2 is copied to the last position of C1. If it is a star node, first position of N is copied to last position of N. Now let us find out follow position for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes. We will find out follow position for these nodes. See here, next, this dot. Here the first position of C2 is 4. 4 is copied to last position of 3. 4 is copied to last position of 3. 4 is copied to last position of 3. Next, this dot. What is first position of C2? 5. 5 is copied to last position of C1. Last position of C1 is 4. 5 is copied to last position of 4. Like this you have to see. And then next star node is left. Now let us see for the star node. Remember here, for the star node, you will consider first position of the node itself, star node itself, N. Coming to dot, we are seeing the children node. Coming to star, you will see the first position and last position of the star node itself. What we are doing, first position is copied to last position. For this star node, the first position is 1, 2. 1, 2 is copied to 1, 2. See how to write. 1, 2 is copied to 1. 1, 2 is copied to 2 also. Like this you have to take. We have seen all the dot and also star nodes for finding out the follow position. This is how to find out follow position. If you are not able to find out for any node, simply write down 5. Now we shall construct the minimized DFA by finding out the transitions. First, you have to take first position of root node. What is the root node? This dot. The first position of this root node is 1, 2 and 3. This is considered as the initial state of the minimized DFA. Let me consider it as A. This is the initial state for the minimized DFA. Now we shall find out the transitions. What are the symbols we are having in the regular expression? Only A and B, input symbols A and B. We will find out transition for capital A on small a and also on small b. First one, transition on small a for state A. To find out this, see. You have to see the positions 1, 2, 3. What are those? 1, 2 and 3. In these three positions where small a is present. See here, here and here. In first position and third position small a is present. Means you have to note down those two positions 1, 3. And then find out follow position of these two numbers. Follow position of 1 union follow position of 3. See the table here. What is follow position of 1? 1, 2 and 3. Follow position of 3 is 4. What you are getting here? 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Now I have considered 1, 2, 3 as state A and now I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one you can consider as new state B. Okay. Now again I have to find out transition capital A comma small b. How to find out? Again, what is capital A? 1, 2, 3. In 1, 2, 3 positions where B is present, 1, 2 and 3. B is present in 2 position. Take that position and find out follow position of 2. What is follow position of 2? 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, 3? Already we have given the name A. Next, we have got new state B. For that B also we will find out transitions on A and B. Let us find out transition on A. Now what is B? 1, 2, 3, 4 means in 1, 2, 3 and 4 where A is present. A is present in 1 and also in 3. 1, 3. Find follow position of 1 and also 3 and combine them. What is follow position of 1? 1, 2, 3. Follow position of 3 is 4. Means 1, 2, 3 union 4. What am I getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. Already I have given the name B for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now B on small b. What is B? Again 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1, 2, 3, 4 positions where B is present. B is present in 2 position and also 4 position. 2, 4. Now follow position of 2 union follow position of 4. What I will get? What is follow position of 2? 1, 2, 3. And follow position of 4 is 5. Oh, I am getting new state, right? 1, 2, 3, 5. I am getting new state. Let it be C. Now let us find out transitions for the new state C. What is C? 1, 2, 3, 5. A is present in 1 and 3. 1 and 3 positions in 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 3. What you will get? Follow position of 1 union follow position of 3. What is follow position of 1? 1, 2, 3 and for 3 it is 4. 1, 2, 3 union 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is nothing but state B. Next, C, B. In what is C? 1, 2, 3, 5. Next, C, B. In 1, 2, 3, 5 positions where B is present. It is present in 2nd and 4th positions. It is 2, 4. Nothing but you have to find out follow position of 2 union follow position of 4. What is follow position of 2? 1, 2, 3 and for 4 it is 5. 1, 2, 3 union 5. It is 1, 2, 3 and 5. This is nothing but C state again. Up to now we have got only 3 states. Even in the transitions for C state we are getting the old states only. No other new state generated. Means the minimized DFA is going to have only 3 states A, B, C. Okay, now let us draw the transition table. What are the states? A, B, C. What is the initial state? A. And how to write the final state? Final state, in which state you are having the 5 position. 5 position means hash. The end marker position is 5. The 5 is present in C state. That's why I am taking C as the final state. Okay. Next, what are the input symbols? A and B. Now, see what is the transition capital A on small a, it is going to B. Capital A on small b, it is going to capital A. Next, capital B on small a. Capital B on small a, it is going to capital B. Next, capital B on small b, it is going to C. C on A, it is going to B. C on B, it is going to C. This is the transition table for the minimized DFA. Now let us see the transition diagram. The initial state is A and you have two more states B and then C is the final state. A on A, it is going to B. A on B is going to A itself, self loop. B on A, it is going to B only. B on B, it is going to C. C on A, it is going to B. C on B, it is going to C itself. This is the minimized DFA for the regular expression A plus B whole star followed by AB. Thank you for watching.